Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to CryptoJet, where today we're talking about Sushiswap slash Tether US, one of the pairs of Sushiswap. Now, this coin surprisingly has somewhat of a better movement, just a better looking chart than most of these others, right? So we keep talking about coins that actually, the charts simply look something like this, right? Like Mount Everest. So this coin has had a substantial growth, but it has been very level-headed. So it was a very calm type of growth, right? If you can understand what I'm trying to say here. And the consolidation, the large consolidation that's happening right now between the $10 and $20 mark is just very it's looking nice. If you look at it on the weekly time frame, actually, you can notice that it's looking like it's actually preparing for somewhat of a bigger type of move, right? Back into the 20s, into that mark. So moving back onto the daily time frame, I wanted to point out something very quickly, which is that after this huge bad news, whatever happened on the 19th of May, when the whole market pretty much crashed, Sushi took an even bigger hit than all of these other platforms, such as Uniswap, because basically what happened before is Sushiswap actually stole a lot of liquidity providers from Uniswap by just being purely a competition to them, right? And what happens then is that these liquidity providers are the people that are most easily scared of crashes in the market, because if the market crashes, if the coins drop, they're earning less yield on their staking, on their yield farming, etc. So this is why these decentralized exchanges actually got hit the most by this drop. But this is in turn also why I firmly believe that these decentralized exchanges will also go up more than anything else in the near future. By near future, I mean the next 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. That's sort of even a long-term type of vision for cryptocurrencies. I really believe in DeFi or decentralized finance projects, as I've said many times before. Currently, where we're sitting at a price of about $11.5. I have this strategy trading Forex, right, where I'm looking for a sudden reverse in trend, so a change of trend, and I try to make 3 touches on the newly formed sort of trend line, right? So at the 3rd touch, I like to see a consolidation. Now, this isn't the most perfect example. It doesn't have to be perfect. But when you see these new 3 touches after a pending downtrend, right? So this was a downtrend and obviously was broken out of. So what I'm looking right here, what I'm looking for, this is not a valid strategy for cryptocurrencies, by the way. I've never tested this before on cryptos, and my cryptocurrency game is purely long-term, but maybe you can try it. This is something that I might even try myself. Just the very short-term game to try and get a good move out of it, because as we can see, this is somewhat of an important area right here. The only obstacle that we might see right now is that this moving average line is actually above the price at the moment. Now, what could happen is that we actually could see some bullish candles and another little small retracement into the moving average line before a continuation of this uptrend. And this would be the move that I would like to actually catch. So from here until here, this would be somewhat of a move that I would prefer to catch if trading anything else and just forgetting about this being a cryptocurrency on the market. Now, the market is looking better right now. Well, it seems like the consolidation, the correction is actually coming to an end very slowly, and good news will start coming as it does every single summer for cryptocurrencies, right? Historically, the biggest bull runs were in the summer periods, so it is very likely that we continue moving. So this is a coin I actually would pay attention to in the short term and see how it moves. If we see somewhat of a strong candle, we can catch a very quick, very nice move. Now, if we do see one of these candles closing below this area, so anywhere in this region right here, we could expect it also to retrace once again into this big level of support that we've seen before, and potentially consolidate before starting to move bullish once again. That would be it for Sushiswap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you all in the next one. Adios.